fellow people of the British Southern Cameroons territory, good citizens of Ambazonia, welcome to another episode of the No Konitok Zone, an advocacy platform. Today, our nation mourns the death of General Chacha, who saved in the great state of Bui. We want to take this moment to salute his bravery and his service to our country. Today, number 27 day for the month of January 2020. Una all be welcome to the episode. Now a very sad day for Ambazonia, but we need to dust ourselves and get up to work. We have 8 million Ambazonia to save. Every Ambazonia soldier will sign up knowing the danger and the price for our freedom. We also want to take this opportunity to salute the service and to say thank you to General Foy. General Tata Emmanuel, one of our bravest soldiers, we lost his life as a result of friendly fire. We also want to thank General Chacha for his service to our nation. And we also want to come today to give you a timeline about what happened before their death. So you are all welcome to this platform. It's very early in Ambazonia, but we will leave behind a digital footprint where people can come back and follow up our presentation. So today, now number 27 day, as Aran Tokam. So we will start for give una the timeline for which way happen up to now. We don't receive a lot of requests. So we go speak out about which way happen so that people that go get clarity. A lot of the nation is waiting for us. You know, we have been the vanguard. And you know that we always tell you exactly the truth and nothing but the truth. So walk with me as we go through the timeline. Which we want to tell Nana say, on that fateful morning, we will get the news for General Chacha die. We will already be engaged in terms of negotiation on how for release the Ambazonian detainees and where he hold them in captivity. So I will explain when exactly which way it happened. I will also play some short audio from General Chacha's side, how he talk about the release of those troops and which way mean. So today we're not going to get time for salute all man, for sing our national anthem. Na solemn day, our flag supposed to be half high because of which way it happened. And exactly the type of scenario where La Republique du Cameroon be want them. It will be very reckless for Chris Anu, for Sako, for set this ball rolling, for begin create exclusive zone them for specific soldiers where they prevent other soldiers of a fight. We will see it from the beginning of this our revolution during the period of General Mba Ivor. It be the worker from one area to Ambazonia to another, being welcomed by all the forces and everybody. It be the supply weapons and the same policy. The fight be the go strong. We will get the biggest victory they will get them, including the neutralization of the colonial SDO in Batibo. So this is how a war is supposed to be fought, through guerrilla tactics, not by dividing us into exclusive zone where you need to be considered as an invader or an incursion to visit any place in Ambazonia. It is our nation. Every soldier supposed to have that right to navigate the territory. So we'll start for give una exactly the timeline we happen up to the time when General Chacha be killed, and we will tell una exactly who killed him, and we will tell una about who be responsible and who supposed to be blamed in this case. So for that morning, the first news we will hear he come on and say heavy gunshot they be there for Kikeakom, say La Republique du Cameroon they don't invade Kikeakom, and Mimimi for if we go along for publish a news. Mimimi for the Ambazonian journalists where they also publish news them always for expose what it happen. But recently since he come up for Cameroon, we see say there is a trend in a publication where it look like it be embedded with messages when it be meant targeting certain groups, elevating certain characters and sabotaging the entire major factions of our revolution. So Mimimi for it be published a news say they don't attack General Chacha a camp. And somehow they no be know how the soldier they do arrive for day. That one be been an indication for our expert them say Mimimi for a presentation, it no be been a pure journalistic presentation. Because for a normal journalist, if you talk now say Cameroon troops they ran come for that place covertly or through the hiding of the night, they ran appear for that place. But the fact say they try to make suggestion for talk say the troops then come for there, they don't know how they come or not. Let's say troops they not be supposed to go for place the way they want go there. It shows say it be embedded with messages for divide and rule and for sabotage and for frame up some other people them and for try for cover up what will happen. The news also be go say they be key General Chacha, Tai for Bakmoto for La Republique, drag and Sute cut head. Now the news then that way become initial news the way we hear them. It turned out for be say all those news then be planted by La Republique. Either they began for those people that made them publish and they not be know, or them being a part of that machinery where it be meant for disturb, for demobilize our people, for demoralize them, and for kill their aspiration for independence. So when we get that initial information, some of our soldiers them for ground zero be confirm say yes, they are here heavy gunshot for Kikaikom. The local population they also confirm say they are here heavy gunshot for Kikaikom. It won't become very clear for morning time. All man talk say they no be see any La Republique du Cameroon soldier when they be hear those gunshots. So be 100% sure say the shooting will be there on for Kikaikom for morning time around 3 o'clock for morning time. It no be na La Republique du Cameroon be the attack them. It being a likely forces for the Bui war where they be shoot gun them for create that drama. Many people then feel say they will be attacked by La Republique du Cameroon, but there was no La Republique du Cameroon attack. Our forces they be spot a convoy of La Republique du Cameroon. They come towards Kikaikom during morning hours. That was already before the dawn of break. That means around 5 o'clock to 7 o'clock within that period. So we initially believe say those troops they be come now for can give back up for the troop the way they be already them lay siege for the come them for General Chacha for the. It turned out for be say it be just been actually the La Republique du Cameroon troops the way they come up for that place. Now the first one in that way they be there for all the camp. Which they be already key General Chacha according to our information by that time. So this thing it shows already. During the time where those fake news become out, those embedded news from Mimimi for become out, La Republique du Cameroon, their outlet, their propagandists, the one way they call and say now my country people them. It be publish a fake picture of General Chacha where the Rankili where carry den gun on it. And the reason when we follow up for see what will happen, it is showing us say they no be the key General Chacha and they be aware. Say the people the way they key General Chacha they go hurriedly bury his body so no picture no go there and that picture go fit cover up the story where they go on. So they be then decide for go ahead with that fake story in conniving with those people where they be there for ground zero because that people then are the only they be no say General Chacha in and die and not only they be surely give that information for La Republique du Cameroon through their representative from diaspora. Because we'll be sure say La Republique need to communicate now those boys then directly. But then get handle at them for diaspora where then they inside the Bui council. It be infiltrated, will be very sure. One of the reasons we'll be start get the suspicious. Yes, somebody asks and say why would he doubt Mimimi for? In this particular case, the Mimimi for a publication, it will be problematic because our own expert them they be talk say it be get embedded messages for the inside because you go imagine say a normal journalist if you don't hear say government troops them they don't enter for inside some place where they consider them like their own territory. A report for Bina say Cameroon troops them then come for that place covertly or under the protection of night. Now say if a reporter, but the fact where he talk say they don't know how those troops then come for day. It give an indication, say, a publication, it be the one sow the seed for division, they sow the seed for blame game, for help divide the Ambazonian people, and for make us ineffective. So that is the reason, and that is my answer to that person where they ask and why will be the doubt Mimimi for. Will not be the doubt and say he report, say the rank key some person, or wait it ever happen, will be the doubt, not the reason that. And other thing that say there no La Republique du Cameroon, their troops no be there for that place at that time. So Mimimi for a publication be being a lie. There was no La Republique du Cameroon troops at that early morning, 2 a.m. as she reported. There was no La Republique du Cameroon. Their troops they wouldn't talk for those people there. They live for those area and will be 100% sure say that a publication be being a lie. So we'll go back for place where we'll be there. The reason why we suspect we will be start to get this suspicion. If you look from our previous presentation, we will then talk about them because our forensic expert them after they will review the picture them for general phone with a bullet hole way then of a front head come off a back head. It shows that the person where shoot it be stand directly for a front for looking for a face before he shoot it. Usually, according to our expert, when person execute man directly for a front, if na your own troops so you want kill, either they cover the man face or you go stand for a back before you do the execution. So when person stand for man in front, you shoot that person immediately looky. Our expert then talks in an indication say it be personal and it express deep anger for person for be able to do that act. Those are the probabilities and the theories way our expert then give we. So if you raise a question, say the only person way for harbor that kind hatred and that anger for revenge for General Fon, it go be na the La Republic of Cameroon their troops away either always give them sniper shot for their headshot, both from Donga Mantung and many other places, including for Bamenda and for the southern zone for places where they be deploy for they covertly. So we be sure, we be suspicious, say La Republic du Cameroon then surely that infiltrate the Boer warriors, either then get some person inside that group way. Now one of those they early recruit them according to our experience from last year where they be recruit people for B. I be send that information for General Chacha, say make it investigate the person where be pull the trigger, for check it background, for check and whether last year it be around village or not. It will give you an indication whether a person where it work with La Republic or not. Because now for the interest for the entire struggle, for fetch out any infiltrator. So that is what we did and which is fair. So I'm just reporting to you very fair. Don't distract me with those comments. So those were the reasons why we were already suspecting that there is somebody in that group that is working directly with La Republic du Cameroon. In addition to the fact, say after General Chacha General Fon Bibi executed, the photo was sent to, according to them, to the Bui Council, to Elvis, to Sarkos and Chris Anu, their Kaba. But somehow, it not be published even by their own analysts. It not be published by their own activists or supporters, but it was published by La Republique du Cameroon, their propagandists, my country people, where the show we say then get a direct contact with them, one way or the other, either for Ground Zero or for the diaspora, and we believe saying for the diaspora. So that is what that was a suspicion that was already going on. So in the morning when we get that contradictory and news the way in the match, it will give you an indication say the fight there is a cover up going on because people don't lie for nothing. They lie for a specific reason, either to hide something or to cover up something. So we then wake up for that morning to realize and say there was something fishy going on before we realize General Chacha he didn't die. And then another real picture now be published by my country people where it show the real image for the dead body of General Chacha where he carry AK-47. Along with those pictures, my country people then go ahead for publish another pictures with guns, and local double barrel guns for inside a small compound. From our information, we'll get them the camp for General Chacha no be attack. The camp be okay. We mean say they be killing no be for the camp, the killing are for instance some bush where be isolated with just few soldiers them. One of those soldiers the way they be killing during that time he run. Where you go be very, very unlikely because how you go be with somebody where they already time me for killing, they will make sure say they will kill all my way there for day so that no person no go there for testify or forgive any weakness about what will happen. So according to the information we will get them from the person where he escaped from the death when they kill it shows say La Republique du Cameroon they no be there for day it be na one of those forces the way they be there with Chacha na then execute it. Then shoot it, he die. One of the reasons they will be suspicious why they go suddenly kill General Chacha. Now say General Chacha he already show sign for during the reconciliation process for regret about the death of General Fon. He even offer for go back for Fon, their family compound, go salute their mommy for apologize about the killing of Fon. He also the talk with General Fon is second in command, and he the talk say he go participate for military honor of General Fon and for appoint when they go to celebrate for appoint is a replacement to the dislike of many of those fighters they be complain. So they be give conditions, say before General Chacha go and come for that place where they go and install the new head for General Fonicam. General Chacha supposed to come talk for the public why they be first key General Fon in the first place. In it for can talk all the indictment, the reason why, or for apologize for the general public and for talk whether now who be giving that instruction. So those were the conditions where they be done give for General Chacha during that period. We also know from the chatting from the Samuel Sako, their cabinet and their forum, say they will get the information. Say Chacha they go visit the ADF forces them. It go visit the camp of Chacha of Fon. It go visit for the family. They be panic, probably because if you expose who be give the order, me then kill General Fon, and secondly because they be afraid say maybe it go give those gun them back for the ADF and things like that. But there was panic and there was a plan to assassinate him. According to some of the leaked audios we don't hear and for social media, it shows that there was a plan and a revenge attack against General Chacha at that point. Sorry, I think my software is so at that point when the General Chacha be already talk about for go back, for go make peace and for go apologize. The interim government of Samuel Sako and the Cabal, Evis and those people who then they for inside the Bui Council, the other stupid guy with a nest, they be decide me then key General Chacha from which we hear. We don't know how valid it be, but we don't hear audio, we don't hear from information where they leak out whistleblower them for inside the chat group. So they be very worried and they be talking me them better. If not so me them better key the Chacha. That is what we heard. So but what happened is that after that period, Chacha was executed. And the fact say La Republique, the story where it come and say after the Chacha be die, they hurriedly for go bury Chacha. And according to those people, La Republique du Cameroon, they be intervene, say me they no bury, the one can try for seize the dead body, say me then go show and for go cut the head. Where be been a plan for try for make up the fake story where they be done first put and say they be done cut the head. They want try for match up way to way my country people be already declare them for cover up, say they be do all those things then with anybody for inside. So that one may be a clear indication say La Republique du Cameroon they be the one try for can for that place today the dead body be dey for can do it with the one do out the dead body. But it look like the person will be there for they be deny with them they no mutilate the body where it shows say that person a person will be close to General Chacha. It being a person will be very close to either a friend or a family member, but somebody who is there and is working for La Republique du Cameroon. That is our conclusion. So there is a discrepancy. Hello, comrade. Are they online? Okay, if you tell me if my ear first, my do yeah, because they online. Me people they know yeah. It's a waiting. Now news that way they come. That one at the middleman way he be do the negotiation. He talk say he don't no get news. So I go play the news. I nobody hear the news when I go hear at the same time as I go the hear.
Good morning, no.
Now the second in command of General Chacha the talk with the mediator way be the mediate for the for try for release those people. Yeah.
Good morning, no. How for that picking, Send me a yeah. Okay, but then see the. Okay.
So that is good news. It shows that those people that the one at the first time I listen to the audio. So I feel cut them if I discover and say get any sensitive information. But now the first time I listen for this audio, when I see so be very transparent and would take into consideration the security need for protect the boys them for Ground Zero also. So maybe we hear.
Master, I'm on this happy you.
No, we did, but only that's on news.
I say it was.
Oh, not true, or no, be true, I don't know.
No, not true. No, I ain't never been not true. I say when things start falling apart, everything goes their own ways. Yes. I know with lie, the pressure be very enormous. Yes. I don't tell you to get a unique way for structure. You know, this thing is so the power dominance, the fight for ground is really strong. You understand now? Yes. So some of these things they would imagine of us here, but the actual thing where they happen for ground be far different from what you would think.
I go stop the audio, I go listen them before I go feed the server, I go play them or not. So I will leave them and not comment about the audio, but we don't hear say those people them still be alive. And the message way I think some people they don't publish them already say they don't kill those 28, 26 people will be still review them because those people they be for the way they got them, Chacha be done seize their telephone them, so there was no way to know whether those people were alive or not. So that is the situation. So I will continue from the place where we be there before one get the phone call. So wait till way happen. I say then kill Chacha. Now he own soldier them kill and we believe say the soldier way kill it work with La République du Cameroon. After they execute Chacha, La République du Cameroon they be already first go ahead for publish a fake story including a fake picture because we believe say at that stage the soldier they be done tell and say they go bury and La République no be get any means for get any picture from there, so they will go ahead for make their own fake picture, then publish them. Otherwise, there is no other reason why my country people when their own propagandists go ahead for publish a fake picture. That is the only reason we believe that they could do that. They were not sure that they will get the real picture. But eventually, they be get for the scene, and we believe saying for morning time, then take the picture. If you look the blood damn clot someplace and the blood will be tick, it don't clot. It shows they cover the na few hours where the death that happen, they come for it and take those pictures where they go and then go back. Where the show to say they work with those people the way they kill it. And one of the person where he be survived the attack, at least he don't confirm say Chacha be killed na by La République na by their own forces for Ground Zero. So it be very, very tragic which way happen for ye. And we don't try for give you the exact timeline where it happen. The timeline where the show say then key General Chacha before La République du Cameroon then come for that place, can take picture. Then go post the second picture after they be already shared the first picture. We be already get suspicion. Say there is somebody inside that camp. I don't believe whether Chacha they be know or not, but we believe say there was somebody there that was working with La République du Cameroon. If you join the dots as we don't present for una very transparently, it go give una exactly what will happen. The troops them initially then try for first lie for talk say La République du Cameroon troops they be there for day. It turn out say they no be for day. Then lie again say ADF soldier they be there for day. We call the soldier them all they be there for their base with other soldier them. All man confirm say ADF them because they be the mourn the death of General Foyne. All man be don't go back for a base. They be even withdraw from their mount from their post them. Would I explain that one for the general public? So we don't come again for tell una exactly the timeline which way happen. When Arando get the message from the phone call, we happen say for the negotiator we be negotiate say those boys them be alive. I go play one of the audio then two way to show say those boys them be alive during the negotiation. And but also General Chacha be done tell some people them where they be done contact when a true our own informer that will be use them for contact say they be done already key those people them first. So he say be done talk for some people them. But we believe say the people the way them be in the defense where they already trusty when at the account that will believe them. If we tell and say the people that see they alive now why that negotiation be the go on and now why that will be the give pressure say me then release it. So I go just play just a small excerpt for just a day before General Chacha one die. Yeah, so I'll play a little bit excerpt for the audio we're gonna hear. You wanna be before General Chacha one die, I go hear from this part he go talk about Make una hear I see be the talk about the release of those people.
Huh? Huh? Yeah. Yeah.
So now here, it be the complaint say Franklin Vela, Vela Franklin and me will be the overput so much pressure for General Chacha, and now either way, you know, we want release them at that particular time. Say me would do she done quiet first, then you go release them. So I even cancel my show that day. I no go on. But if you hear the mediator be tell you say no, as the people's voices, activists engage right for begin explain for the people, then wait to wait it happen because now the people they're soldier, and General Chacha no get no right for object. But even though if the mediator be tell you say we go see continue for begin put the public pressure, but we be decide I be decide to stop. The audio way they complain about Vela Franklin, it will be now a counter audio because then Cesar go outside send an audio say General Efang they be down wuni some person they keep it for inside Banso me then go house to house search for movie for kill him. Now anyway General Vela Franklin be saying an audio tell the people that say if to say General Efang there for some money house to the run shooty na a patriot me no man no killy me the say make amigo because that man be being a clean man. So General Chacha no be happy with that message and we believe say Vela Franklin be get the right to send that message. Me I be also get the right for put pressure for talking me must release those people them, including all man. But somehow not only me and Vela Franklin one message be the touchy for a heart. For sure una say who do work for una. So una hear the last part for that audio where the talk say they go release the people them.
Yeah.
So they be supposed to release them that same day. According to the audio, I no go continue for play them. It gets sensitive information. They also talk say they will release some other people the way they be done kidnap them. They be ask money for their family them. They will release them also. So we know now say these are the fact. General Chacha be kill General Fon. We believe say they be killing La République du Cameroon be instrumental for that killing. And if he get the ambition for get weapons them through this way and in a very bad way. Because if he get that desire, he easily be prone for being manipulated by the people for the diaspora where they be one key General Fon for political reason. That same time when they carry them go down for their camp, they be plan for execute General Efang the same time. So those were the main target. According to information we'll get them, then shoot General Efang 4 bullets and General Efang disappear in plain sight. So whether he die or whether he no die, the report say the spokesperson for ADF talk say he die with those bullet wounds. From General Chacha side, he show say them follow it for inside forest. But Capo Daniel I never make any statement for the one at the do report una na exactly way to way they I never talk anything about this issue. But the fact of the matter I say then shoot General Efang direct bullet them in the middle of all man way day for day. It disappears spiritually. So for people they need to believe say man fi disappear now na sabi. For the people the way they believe say if he survive that 4 bullet wound the way they get for ye. The ADF you want to hear about the ADF their position, you hear from their spokesperson. Me and Eddie speak in any capacity. Right now I'm speaking as an activist. So that is all I have to say. Those things are still classified and I don't have any power to divulge those information. But I will tell when I say General Chacha was guilty to arrest those people because they have the rights to come there to their camp. They were informed and he was committing a treason during a time of war to arrest key players. That particular action have led to his death just like it happened with General Amigo. We don't always tell our soldiers for ground zero. Respect all soldiers their right. That country na Ambazonia no be Bui. That country no be Batibo, no be Boyo, no be Meme, no be Fako. All Ambazonia them get right for go for any place for Ambazonia for fight for defend their territory. Una need for work together. The time we General Ivor be day. All man be the work together. The time we Seseko be day. No man no be the talk say why do you want to go for here? Go for the way, go for the way. Time we fight be the hot for Manu. Or we be the donate money game for day. I no be the ask and say I come on for Manu. I be no say na adena for Ambazonia. It don't always be na La République du Cameroon for divide us about these 2 division them. For use Northwest and Southwest. But we know say truly those are superficial division. They are not real. Even in Ambazonians, they are real mind. Those divisions between the north and southwest are not real. They are colonial manipulation. They are brainwash of our people. Because even if you go for Bakosi, Upper Bakosi and Lower Bakosi, they need to see eye to eye. They see themselves like different people. Go for Banyang, na the same thing. Bakwere people them, they look Bayangi people them. The same way they want train southwest people, they look northwest people them. So those divides are superficial. There is no division between the northern zone and the southern zone. They are all superficial division. That's why we should not even use that name. I think we should use the Savannah name and the other name. But in terms of reference point, I think that our 13 stars in our flag is the right way to consider ourselves as 13 different states which the AGOVC subscribes to. So, but we also have to be sensitive about this colonial mentality of divide and rule. So, ladies and gentlemen, now the timeline that for General Chacha he died, I feel confirm with you, say General Chacha was not killed by La Republique. La Republique did not La Republique du Cameroon did not launch an attack in that place. That is why the first image they give was a fake image. It was the soldiers within his ranks that killed him. We had warned him. We had warned him like a patriot to investigate the person who pulled the trigger. He might have given the instruction for that person to pull the trigger. They might have manipulated him to take that decision because they saw a vulnerability in his desire to have weapons and become a lord over those people, irrespective of who he's going to run over. But in any case, it was a wrong action, and the blood of General Fon is on his head and on the head of his troops as a result of him being the senior officer there, the one who was in charge, who gave that order, who allowed that atrocity to be committed. So, that time could have spend this more time with we, forget the timeline about who killed General Fon and who killed General Chacha. From the information we don't get them right now, it shows say those people then see them be alive, and the audio around playing for you, it shows say them be alive. The idea say they be attack their camp, na fake news. The idea say they be beheaded, na fake news. When I don't see the picture they all. And they also want advice when I make no begin take information from my country people there a Facebook page for face value, because the enemy no be a legitimate source for we forget information. They be against our revolution. They try to demoralize our people. They not be interested for the justice for the Ambazonian people, their right for self-determination, which is a legitimate right, and they do work for destroy we. So those are people where they not go hesitate for leak out information for our soldiers to be killed, our people to be killed. They are working with the enemies and they are traitors. So ladies and gentlemen, we don't do our job for come today for take the donkey again, go to corner water. If we not continue for allow ourselves to be manipulated, when I hear the video from Santos, where he don't come for talk about how Samuel Sarko be solicited for a ministerial post for La République du Cameroon. Nothing and that will be done tell already 2 years ago. That way they be create the bilingualism commission. Their work be been for contact Sarko. Maybe not the reason that way they be choose Peter Mafani Musonge because of his links with Sarko, and he be contact them. They be get all those phone calls. A very close friend Santos be done hear all those things them, but he can foolishly sack he because now God they do him, so that make una know all these things them. But as then talk, if you only take the donkey go to corner water, now you go decide to drink the water. Una stop for begin work follow the Chris Anu. They don't sell out na compromise people. Any man wey go can lie for una. Say Seko Ayoktabi, they go sing La République du Cameroon their national anthem under their flag. That kind of big lie. Any man wey go can tell una. Say the UN that invite me, they can't talk about Ambazonia when alive, it give una false hope. Muna hope on a false promises. Any man wey go can tell una say muna attack United Nations for make Muna look stupid. Any man wey go can ban other political parties them. All this evidence they run line for una front 1. Anyone wey go can force people they meet and go for a negotiation where independence no be a possible outcome. If that man still can't tell una say he fight for independence. If that man still come, even the fact say he no get that power, they don't dismiss it for inside the interim government. When they be make election for the interim government, if he lose the election, the country head they no be vote na he. But because the infiltrators the inside the IG, they want overturn that election, then change the format for make sure say me they for power. Because if we been at the point man where La Republic du Cameroon be one use it for destroy our struggle. Now why that way they be move Siseko for day? If it pain you, if it be inconvenient, what if not true what they talk am? If I be the line a lie, 2 years till now, any information way for the camp, if for the show say Capo Daniel a lie, I not even stop my activism. But every single day, information they come for confirm exactly what you are be the talk and for now. It go pain some people their heart, but me that pain, you know, make them you give up for the thousands of Amazonian people where they count on you. Think about them. What would you first do for all these things for social media? What would you first do for call our people that meet them fight? Now for waiting. Now because that thing where they be key or picking them for university, that pain, say they don't take over our resources them, would not be subjugated people for life. Who be then decide say now they end this. Now a collective struggle. Who be then decide say it be worth it for fight and die for the sake for the freedom for the 8 million Amazonian people and the ones yet unborn. Now the reason that the gravity is too much, the deaths are too much, the sacrifices for our people then for school, for the ghost town is too much for us to use it as a joking matter. Not be a matter for people for can play politics, for can gain fame or whatsoever. We sacrifice our time, our life, basically our security, for something greater than ourselves. For something greater than ourselves. So, my country people, them, fellow Ambazonians, thank you for participate for this show. May God bless you now. I hope say that one go and stop. You go and give at least una line exactly what will happen. We also need to make sure say as much as we try to get the truth, so that we will not be blindsided by any loopholes or the work of the enemy within our ranks. We no need to allow the consume with so much we go make them may we undermine the very essence of our revolution, we have to fight for the independence of our people. So may we keep the story now down. We'll try to pick up ourselves, we'll dust up ourselves, we'll march on for make sure say may we stop the independent day goes down where they come. May we stop them. May we stop the election for La Republic. May we stop all the activity for our territory. We'll make sure say all the enablers and collaborators they go pay. And for our chat group, we'll make sure so we'll remove all those where they promote the agenda for La Republic. Now no be time for popularity. Now no be time for find more followers. Now no time for action for ground zero. All man they come together. People they realize themselves they come together. So make we come together, we'll unite to fight a common enemy, La Republique du Cameroon. God bless you now, Capo Daniel, and at the sign off, may our revolution be short, may our independence, civil liberty, and democracy be in Ambazonia forevermore. God bless you. Bye-bye.